Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Sites using the updated 2026 layout. Google Sites doesn't have a built-in language switcher, but there are a few simple ways to handle both editing language and visitor language. First, to change the Google Sites interface language, go to your Google account settings and switch your account language. The menus and tools in Google Sites update automatically. Next, Google Sites automatically adjusts to the visitor's browser language, so they'll see some interface elements in their own language without you setting anything. You can also set a preferred site language in Site Settings, so search engines know how to index your site. If you want a real multilingual site, you can duplicate your pages and create versions in different languages, then link between them using buttons or simple text links. And if you want an automatic translator, you can embed the Google Translate widget using an HTML embed code. Visitors can choose any language from a drop-down menu. Once everything is set, preview your site, test the language settings, and then publish. And that's it. That's how to change language in Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching.